It is a home-use IPL system. A cool Psych 2 gives permanent hair removal results, skin rejuvenation, and always coming with the feeling of skin cooling. Safe, comfortable, and effective. There are two colors, green and white. This is magnetic treatment stick. Transfer between HR and SR function or big and small size filter easily. Big size filter is for big skin area, and small size filter is for small skin eyes. Treatment spot and cooling spot. Power on. Set individual energy levels. You could choose to apply in time cooling function. HR is for hair removal. Click M to switch to SR skin rejuvenation. Put on goggles. Stamp mode. Stamp the light on skin once pressing the button. Pressing lighting button for 3 seconds to go to the slide mode. Slide mode. Always touch and slide on skin. Do you get the right hair removal products? You will never be embarrassed about unnecessary hair anymore.